Baby, somewhere alone. It's so good to see you guys. When I'm gonna send you some balaba. Thank you so much, and every one of you who honored the color of the night, thank you so much. Now my letters will bring the shame upon you, but you're welcome. You're still welcome tonight. Thank you. I cannot thank everybody. The purpose of having this party is to thank all of you for supporting me in one way or the other. I couldn't call it everyone because this place would be filled up and would need another one. So I had to pick people to represent different people. So I love you, my family, you're my backbone. From Bazan, even a soka na bone Samantha, to the dancers who came from maternity leave to come back and work with me. I appreciate that so much. I appreciate it. I've all about the nation, and I appreciate that so much. Whatever dance about slider. Thank you so much for putting your art back into the industry just for me. I really appreciate that. And then Bandi and get what you have I know Kuvako to take care of the Chicolechi, Chibecha Kabi. Simon, my band, thank you so much. Eric, thank you for handling really well. But a TP, Netimi, and get security. I really want the cameras to see this guy. TP, the dead body. Simani watching the dead body. But you know, guy, about the security guy, whether I want it or not, for the last 10 years. I'm very young. Only one song I focus my security guy. And I need you guys to, one thing that I remember was at the bomb party guy to take a forget and no better cover to bana. Then I never relate. Najukwata yeye kanenga teria muita konomu. Oshegera. Never get the body of singing and Mamukolachi and Takurachi at Havao. No, that's the reason why she ate a dead body. Thank you so much, Tippy. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Everyone who came onto my team, I got some people who came from my gym and decided, you know what, to end up with security. When I was dealing with the team that there was so much enmity on the other side, I needed a team which I could trust. So my security guys from the gym, like my friends, Gabriel Bana ina papa to his security okubantino ekitukikwasiganya mpola tumefuna obuzibu wa ku backstage. So thank you so much team yange. Njagala banjulira mama wange mabatamulabanga ko njagala mulaba olwaleero. This woman right here taught me everything that I know. Osekera. I love you, mommy. I wanted you guys to see the woman who gave birth to me, gave birth to this talent and the heart that I have and the work ethic that I have. This is the woman right here. Thank you so much, mommy. You can have your seat. Nagala manager wange. Because she doesn't work like my manager, she works like my sister, works like my support system. She's a very reserved person. Tali shine, and really reserved. For one time, that feelings you can reserve. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Charlie Gonza. Yeah, so this is Daphne. She has been my manager from the very beginning. Up to this point, my career would never be in this woman over here. So, thank you. Mama, you can have your seat. I'd like to show you my accountant. I miss Uganda. My little sister Whitney at the moon. I'd like you guys to see her. She's not scared of big money. She's not like me. So when I have deals in hundreds of millions and billions, I call Whitney because she's amazing with numbers. Thank you so much, Whitney. Thank you. She's really good with numbers. Yeah. So if I forget to mention your name, it means absolutely nothing. Just the fact that you're here means you're part of my team. There are people who I could not invite here today because to revenge. My team here dance from Boom Party. It was easy to get them. Naye twalina team yatwegattako nga balina energy empya gye baatuwongerako. Raj ne team y'esoko gye wano. Ono guy yampa badansa abato. Fresh moves, fresh ideas that I needed to spice up my show over here, and I want you to see him. So usually we never dance about now, and sometimes 8, but this time I had 16 dancers, and we were over 20 dancers because of Raj over here.
From day one, never nangesinda ino musajja amanyi okusaba. Twadda musale semba musajja nafukamira ayuka Katonda w'amaanyi okusaba. Omusajja yasaba essaala. Naye muyange n'esooka ndibwako. Yasaba ate mu Luzungu. You know English is very hard. Oh my Lord Jesus, I pray for this show. I pray for my sweetheart, my one and only, making herself all the angels. I'm calling.
But new dancers when I joining a team yaffe nga bapya nga bato bayongera energy ndala nnyo mu show yange. Badde njagala basiima nga mubalaba. Thank you so much. Namunyumye, you look really good today.
We are so advanced.
When you went for me. Raj, thank you so much. What I said is 100% true. I cannot be the king herself all by myself. It's not possible.
Yes, that is.
It's really not possible. Yeah, so I'd like to thank somebody who has been tireless this whole journey from the beginning. She realized that she had to step up at a certain point. And that is no one else than Agibes. No other but Agibes. Love you guys, thank you. You don't have to come here. Many Agibes Joanna is of Kabila. Meeting it as here. She started everything he thought about the concept. That idea wasn't mine, it was for the amazing Gabriel Bar. So Gabriel Bar said you need to come in a mighty way. And we made that happen. That's one of a brass band. It had over 50 people, such a big brass band. So I'm telling you, the king herself can't do that on her own. It has to be a team. Yes, and that is how it works. I'm praying that each one of you who has supported me today doesn't leave the what? Doesn't leave the team. I pray that we get even bigger, even better. Jagala okusima Kaima for one thing. Kaima yayingira omulimu, Gasuye yalina ogulidinga naye nga omulimu gwe yali anti weguli n'akola ki n'akwatira awo ate n'akitambuza paka lasiti. So I had my first MC was DJ Nimrod, and he did an amazing job. But he realized that the other team was attacking him in a really personal way. N'alabantu okusevinga image ya inokola ki ku stepping back. Kati wali abantu nga bo tebatya danger. Kaima, thank you. I couldn't pay you enough for the job that you did that day. Thank you, I really appreciate. Definitely. Lero ndi wano kwebaza. Newe sibagamba ne yawangula ekitufu mu kimanyi. Otegeera. batugamba tewali kuyimba nnyimba za muno saayimba nnyimba ze ne batugamba tocrossinga to the other side seesiba ku bantu abatanjagala mukitegeera ne bagamba nti the last woman standing yeki ye winner. And who was the last woman standing? So, God bless you. I hope you enjoyed dinner. For me, when I love people, I want to cook for them. I want them to eat. But you mind kubandi mukazi mufumbo otegera value yaki eyemmere. So, my husband couldn't make it today. But he wanted me to shine on my own because he had that buli wambagamba bwali nange yankolera buli kimu nagamba today is your day. I want you to shine on your own. But yagambye abaweereza love here, all of you, thank you. He's so grateful that you worked with me and the show worked out. Good to see you, Lily. Thank you, Lily, for the hair that you did. Hair by Zuri. Thank you so much for having our back. Asha K on the makeup. I appreciate it. No, just say. Chijiko, Tila, it's really good to have you over here. For the media person as well, Manito Charlie Chango on that side. Nadala, you guys who picked a side, I will forever be grateful. It's not easy as a media guy to pick a side. So I won't forget that at all. Man, if I had failed, you would still have to stick by me because Mali Mutani is on Taru. I do so much for all my fans who are going to watch this show online, on TV, everywhere. All of you put up your hands and give me names like Igwe, like you understand, and said with bowing and putting their hands up from the beginning to the end. I will not forget. When Kora show and the Dapo and the Bower even 50% more than what you saw at that show. At that show, I didn't have enough sound. I saw the stage on that day. You know, we had to get it. Naye when Kora show yange tugenda kuba chika. Chobo manya team when you tugenda jongera. We had a team of 150 people. For our next show, we need like 300 people to work the show because we are planning a wonder, not just a show. Okay, so I appreciate you. I'll never stop thanking you. Thank you for coming. I hope you're having a good time. It is time to party. Team Syndicate, where are you?